Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share my current favorite makeup routine. This is my signature very clean makeup look that I am currently enjoying a lot, and you will find me wearing this in most of my videos nowadays. And the base is very glowy, dewy, very wearable. At the same time the eyes are sparkling, and I mostly use all of these products. Some of the products are new which I'm going to try out in this video as well. And this is a very clean, very wearable makeup look guys, and very easy to recreate, which I think you're gonna definitely enjoy. I'm gonna show you the steps as well as talk about the products, so let's get started. So these days I'm taking a lot more care of my skin, and I'm prepping my skin really well before doing any kind of makeup look guys. And CLINIQUE Moisture Surge 100 Hydrator, which is my staple product, and this is something that I'm using almost every single day before doing my makeup, and I really love how it actually gets blended into my skin, keeps my skin hydrated throughout the entire day, at the same time does not feel like a heavy, greasy, oily moisturizer on the skin. And also foundation, primer, everything sits so well on top of this product guys. So CLINIQUE Moisture Surge is my all-time favorite, and if you guys are thinking of trying this out, you surely can go ahead and try this one out. Velvet Affair Organic Lip Butter in the shade Sunkissed is my current favorite lip balm, and it looks like a beautiful gloss on your lips guys. It is a very hydrating lip butter, so moisturizing on the lips. At the same time it gives you like such a nice shiny glowy finish, which looks so tempting, so beautiful on the lips, and it looks absolutely stunning. So I have prepped my lips using this. Now it's time to move on to the brows, for which I'm using my all-time favorite Faces brow defining pencil in number 01 called Tan. This is the most beginner friendly product, eyebrow product that everyone can use, because it comes with a spoolie on one side and the eyebrow product on the other side. Using a spoolie I'm gonna just shape my eyebrow at first. Now using the product I'm gonna outline it, and you can see this is a very pigmented product, but the consistency is perfect, neither too waxy, not too creamy. It actually helps in outlining your brows so well, at the same time filling the gaps that you have in your brows. The shade goes so well on Indian skin tones. I do have black hair, and number 01 Tan is my perfect match. I love how it actually looks on my brows, and I can definitely make my brows look really full, bushy with the help of this particular product. As you can see, with the help of the spoolie I'm distributing the product, and this is how it looks like. It is just like a beautiful pomade in the form of pencil. Now I'm going to set my brows, for which this is the product that I am completely obsessing over, and I'm using it every single day. NYKAA Thick It Stick It Brow Mascara, which is in the variant Brunette, and I really love how it actually makes my brows look guys. It makes my brows stay in place throughout the entire day. It's so long wearing. Now I'm gonna prep my skin, for which I mostly prefer using hydrating primers. I don't use mattifying primers. NYX's Plump Right Back Serum Plus Primer is something that I absolutely love. You guys know this is my all-time favorite product, because I love how glowy this primer actually makes my skin. At the same time this one is having electrolytes and a lot of really good skincare ingredients, which is going to take care of your skin. It blends beautifully onto your skin. At the same time it has got a little bit of tackiness, which holds your foundation so well, and you can see the glow. This actually adds that immense glow to your skin guys, which will be showing up really well even after the application of your foundation. Today I'm gonna color correct my face a little bit. This is something which I mostly do whenever I get any kind of pigmentation, uneven skin tone, pimple marks on my skin. I use these two shades from the NYKAA's Conceal and Correct palette in number 02 called Medium. And this is my favorite concealer brush, by the way guys, PAC 219 brush. It is a perfect brush for the application of your concealer, even your color corrector, anything you want. So you can see I'm applying it on the areas where I have got uneven skin tone, underneath my eyes, around my mouth area, and on the spots and the pimple marks that I am having on my skin. So for the foundation I'm using one of my favorite foundations, actually high-end foundations that I absolutely love. It's worth all your investment. This one is by SMASHBOX. It's a Studio Skin 24-hour Hydra foundation, and this one is in the shade 3.02, which is a beautiful medium shade having warm olive undertone. Goes so well on my NC41 skin tone. Now this foundation is worth all your investment. You can see this blends completely seamlessly into my skin. It is a full coverage foundation, but it does not feel like a full coverage foundation on your skin. So it feels like your skin, but it gives you beautiful coverage. It covers up your imperfections so well, and it does not look matte on the skin, which I absolutely love. It looks beautiful, dewy, long lasting. Such an amazing foundation. Huda Beauty 4 Filter Concealer in the shade Toasted Almond. It's something which I have picked up during NYKAA's Pink Love sale. A really nice haul video is coming soon, so stay tuned. This concealer is amazing, guys. Everyone should try this one out. It is also a complete worthy product that you can definitely have in your vanity. It is having full coverage, like the fullest coverage ever. It's highly packed with pigments, and you can see a little product goes a long way with it. It blends beautifully on the skin, and I really love how nicely it gets completely blended into my foundation. It does not crease, it does not move, and I absolutely love how my under eyes look after the application of this product, guys. It actually makes my under eyes look really smooth, flawless, filtered, and I really love it. I'm so happy that I have invested my money in this. I got it without any discount, guys. I bought it at a full price, but it's an amazing concealer that you can definitely check out. Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush, a flawless finishing powder, is something that I am really loving, and I'm using most of the time to set my concealer. I don't set my overall face. I only set the areas where I have applied the concealer, basically underneath my eyes, on my lid, on my nose, or on my mouth. These are the regions where I basically set, because I get most of my oiliness over there. So this product, you guys know, is my all-time favorite. Faces Canada Color Me Up Lip and Cheek Tint. It's something which I also have picked up during NYKAA sale. It's a new lip and cheek tint, but it's so tiny, and this shade is so pretty, guys. It's a nude color, but it's actually like a brownish rusty nude shade that's gonna work on Indian skin tone so well. The pigmentation of this cream blush is amazing, and it also blends beautifully on the skin. So you can use your fingertips, you can use your brush, anything you want, and it will get completely blended into your skin, and it gives you like a beautiful glowy TV finish on the skin. So it's a cream based product. As you can see, I have set my concealer with the help of the Charlotte Tilbury powder. After that, I am applying this cream blush, and it's not disrupting my concealer, my foundation, and it's not at all hard to blend on the skin. It blends beautifully, and this is something that surely you can invest your money in. It's very inexpensive, guys. Now it's time to move on to the eyes, for which I'm using only one single palette. I'm going to use two shades from this palette, Forever 52's Gemstone eyeshadow palette in the shade Peridot. And you guys know this is my all-time favorite shimmery eyeshadow palette. It's so beautifully, these are having like cream to powder finish, completely packed with shimmers, iridescent glitters, high impact shimmers, which look so beautiful on the eyes. So at first I'm going to set my eyelid one more time. So as you can see, this is the palette. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to take this bronze shade called Sunkissed, which is basically a bronzy shimmery shade, and just with the help of my fingertips, I'm applying it on all over my lid. As you can see, I'm not using any brush, nothing, just applying the product on all over my lid, blending it really well. And since it is having that cream to powder formula, it is blending seamlessly. You don't need anything with this particular eyeshadow palette. And as I have mentioned, guys, this eye look and this overall makeup look is very easy to recreate, and you don't need a lot of time. So these are all the steps which I basically am doing whenever I'm filming any videos, and I'm really loving it, guys. So you can see I have applied only one single shade on all over my lid up to my crease, not above my crease, and blending it really well with the help of my fingertips. And you can see you're done. You don't need any other eyeshadow. But I'm going to use this duochrome shade, which is basically a greenish lemony green sort of shimmery shade from the palette, which is called, I think, Sunset. I'm going to apply it just on the inner 1/3 of my lid, basically blending it with that bronze shade, and you can see how gorgeous this shimmer looks. So this is just adding a little more of that punch to my look. And it's looking beautiful, guys. So I'm going to take my bronzer. You can use any brown eyeshadow or anything you want. This is a bronzer which I basically use on an everyday basis. So with the help of a smudging brush, I'm going to apply that brown bronzer just on all over my lower lash line, just to create a kind of shadow on my lower lash line. But I'm not going to use any other eyeshadow. So these are only the two shimmers that I have used on my eyelid. For the kajal, I am using Pigment Play Eye Opener Eyeliner, which is basically a kajal. It's a very good quality kajal, guys. Very creamy, smooth, jet black, smudge proof, very long wearing. I'm gonna tightline my upper waterline with the help of this product. You can use any kajal. I'm not gonna use kajal on my lower waterline because I'm gonna create beautiful winged eyeliner, and you can see this is how it looks like. Now for the eyeliner, this is the product that everyone should try out. You guys will be loving it. This one is by Faces Canada. It is our matte made in heaven ink pen eyeliner, which is so pigmented, guys. It is having beautiful felt tip applicator, very fine felt tip applicator, and you can see the jet black color of this particular eyeliner, insanely pigmented. And with this particular winged eyeliner, you can create beautiful like crispy winged eyeliner. It's matte, it's long wearing, it's smudge proof, it's not gonna budge, it will be there, and you can wear it throughout the entire day. And I absolutely love drawing winged eyeliners, especially with this kind of shimmery eyeshadow look when I haven't used a lot of eyeshadows, but still my eyes are looking so sparkling, so beautiful. I prefer to create beautiful black, jet black winged eyeliners. And this is something that I generally do. For the mascaras, I'm going to use two today, which have completely changed my lash game, guys. And you should definitely try these two out. Swiss Beauty's Long Precision mascara is something which is so amazing. It's underrated, it's super duper affordable, but it actually separates my lashes, adds a beautiful length to my lashes. It's jet black, it's long wearing, but it's not stubborn. It's not gonna make you lose your lashes. It's not that kind of mascara, but you can see after the application of the Swiss Beauty mascara, this is how my lashes look. But I'm gonna use one more coat of the Mars Fabulous mascara, which is more on the voluminous side, and the combination of these two mascaras have completely changed my lash game, guys. I don't wear falsies nowadays because I love how my natural eyelashes look after the application of these two mascaras. So this one is really volumizing. It coats each and every lash I have. It lifts my lashes. I don't curl my lashes, but still my lashes look really prominent, really visible after the application of these two mascaras. And you can see I absolutely love how this eye look turned out. It's so wearable, so sparkling, at the same time looks so beautiful, glamorous, and I really love how clean it looks. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of bronzer. So I'm going to use this contour palette from PAC, which is her newly launched product. I'm going to use the contour shade from this palette, and with the help of this Wet n Wild contour brush, I'm applying it underneath my cheekbones, and you can see it's very pigmented. So a little product goes a long way with it. Don't use a lot of this. So using my contour brush, I am blending this out, and you can see I'm blending it really well, and it is getting completely meshed into my skin. It is a beautiful shade which helps in creating beautiful shadows on the areas where I need to add structure to my face. So underneath my cheekbones, on my jawline, on my forehead, head, and also on the sides of my nose. And you can see I've contoured my face, but still it looks so natural, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Using the highlighter from the same palette with the highlighter brush, I'm gonna at first remove the excess at the back of my hand. Now I'm going to use whatever product was left on the brush, just a little bit on the highest points of my face. I'm not going to use a lot of highlighter. Mostly I'm not using highlighters nowadays, guys, because my face already looks so glowy, mainly because of the foundation, how I prep my skin, and also because of the cream blush, the dewy blush. So I don't feel the need to apply highlighter, but for the sake of this video, I am adding a little bit of this on the highest points of my face, and also highlighting the inner corner of my eyes with the help of a pencil brush, using the same highlighter from the PAC Focus on Me palette. So this is how my face looks. You can see it looks absolutely dewy, glowy, and I really love how it turned out. For the lips, I'm going to use the combination of these two. A liquid lipstick. This is the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick, the mini version of Stepping Out, which is basically, according to me, is a complete neutral brown nude color, guys, which looks cool toned on my complexion. So you can see it's a very pigmented, comfortable to wear, really good quality liquid lipstick. I really love how it actually looks after it dries down on my lips. It's non-crusty, it does not flake off, it's long wearing, and if you love cool tone shades, I think you're gonna love the shade Stepping Out. It does not look warm on my skin tone. You can see this is how it looks on me, and I really love how it looks. On top of this Smashbox Stepping Out, I'm gonna apply Bobbi Brown a crushed oil infused lip gloss in the shade Slow Jam, my current obsession. You guys have seen me using it in so many of my reels and shots, and I absolutely Love this lip gloss. It's a muted berry gloss. It works really well on its own. You can apply it just on your bare lips and it's gonna show up on your lips because of the shade. It's having opaque pigmentation, beautiful gloss. It does not look sheer, but it looks so juicy, non-sticky, long-wearing lip gloss, which completely worth your investment. Milani Make It Last Setting Spray is something that has completely changed my makeup game because it made my makeup so long lasting, at the same time adds beautiful glow to my skin, which I absolutely love. So this is how I have created this gorgeous My Signature clean makeup look using all of these products, and surely you can try out. It's gonna look beautiful on you. I hope that you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye guys.